With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, we have a question here. A bob is attached to a string of length L whose other end is fixed and is given a horizontal velocity at the lowest point of the circle so that the bob moves in a vertical plane. Match the velocity given at the lowest point of a circle in a column first with the tension and the velocity at the highest point of the corresponding circle to the velocity of a column first of column second. Okay, firstly, according to a question, consider one bob. We consider one bob. Sorry. This is a bob whose length is given at L, and on this point, this is the center of the circle. It moves with velocity with lowest velocity VL. Okay, moves on this point with lowest velocity VL. So, in a column first, we have given a lowest velocity, and in a column second, we have given a tension and velocity at the highest point. Suppose consider, guys, this is the highest point of the velocity. Here, if we take some velocity VL, obviously the bob moves on this position, and on that position, the velocity becomes 0. And it's come back and it's complete a half circle up to the here. So therefore, here highest velocity is equal to 0. Highest velocity equal to the 0 VH. Okay, the tension towards the center T, and here mass is mg. On the downward force on this bob is mg. On downward direction is mg. So therefore, here total kinetic energy on this position at the lowest point equal to the total kinetic energy on this position of the highest point. Here kinetic energy is given VL is equal to something, any value. Therefore, it moves on this position, and here become V equals to 0. So therefore, there were no kinetic energy, and here kinetic energy considered as a half mv square, and here is only the potential energy. Therefore, it is mgl. If we find a V here, V square equals to m will get cancelled, and it is 2gl, and V is equal to under root 2gl. So from this position, tension is equal to tension T equals to half mv square. Half mv square. Sorry. mv square upon L. mv square upon L, because it makes an angle. So here P is equal to 0, then V is equal to 0, then T is equal to also 0. If we take on the lowest energy under root 2gl, then T equals to 0, and the highest velocity is also 0. So therefore, T equals to 0 and V equals to 0 when given a under root 2gl lowest velocity. Therefore, A matches with S. Okay. Another one is a under root gl. If we taken a lowest velocity under root 2 GL is under root 2 GL. It goes on this point. Suppose we take a velocity under root GL. Here, the ball in lowest velocity VL is equal to under root GL. And maybe it goes on this position. We assume it goes on this position and it moves like that up to this position. So therefore here force is mg and here velocity is 0. On this position velocity equals to 0. Tension across toward the center. Therefore it makes an angle theta. There were mg cos theta. Here is the tension. It moves with a velocity, highest velocity. Okay. From this, t minus mg cos theta equals to m v square by L. From this, t equals to mg cos theta plus mv square by L. From this equation, if consider there where a v equals to 0, highest velocity is 0, then t equals to mg cos theta. It means that from this equation, t equals to mg cos theta, at the point of the highest velocity, v equals to 0 and t does not equals to 0 here. So let me check, it matches. If we take a lowest velocity is GL, then it's matched with P, V equals to 0 and T does not equals to 0. Therefore, it is a P. After that, it is a 3GL, under root 3GL. Okay, so from both, obviously, you should consider it. If we take a lower velocity is GL, it moves on this position. If we take a lower velocity under root 2GL, it's complete its half rotation. If we take an under root 2GL, it completes a half rotation. Therefore, from those, if we take a lowest velocity VL equals to under root 3GL, then it moves up to on this position with a theta. Its force acting on it mg, tension towards the center, and velocity, it moves with a velocity VL, VH. Its highest velocity is VH. So,
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.